Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly, and today we are going to take a look at how to connect a YouTube account. So let's go inside Squirrly Social. Right now we are inside the post calendar feature in Squirrly Social. In order to connect a YouTube account, we have to go over here to manage social profiles. Then we have to go over here, add a social media profile, and choose YouTube from this drop-down. Then we have to choose the Google account that is linked to the YouTube account that you want to connect with Squirrly Social. Then we have to click over here to Advanced, and over here go to Squirrly Social. Because I have connected my YouTube account with Squirrly Social in the past, I can see this notification over here. Squirrly Social already has some access. In case it's the first time you are connecting your YouTube account with Squirrly Social, you are not going to see this part over here. So all that is left to do is click over here on Continue. Like so. And then we have a success message over here. YouTube was successfully connected as a social profile. We can see our profile image over here. The profile name, by clicking on the profile name, we can see our profile like so. We can also see our handle. We can see the profile type, who added this profile. We can reconnect the profile or we can delete the profile. So it's that easy to connect a YouTube account with Squirrly Social. Until next time.